founder of Private Money Pro and the creator of the Private Money Process, the step-by-step system teaching you how to raise all the cash you need for all of your real estate deals. One thing that I get asked all the time, and it's from the newbie investors who are just getting started in this new career of real estate investing, and congratulations, by the way, it's a fabulous career, and if you know what you're doing, you do the right things, you can make a tremendous living and enjoy all the benefits of this career we call real estate investing that makes us a lot of money, and we love it. One thing I want to teach you newbies is this, and this can even help you seasoned investors as well if you're moving into a new market. As most of you guys know, I invest all over the country. It doesn't have to be in my backyard, but let's pick one market that you're investing in, whether it's your backyard or whether it's somebody else's backyard that you're going to be investing in. The way to build credibility, because credibility is huge, and I get this question, Keith, how do I build credibility? I'm just starting my career out in real estate investing. How do I build this? I don't have any deals. It's very simple, and it's a tried and true technique for myself and for a lot of the students that I teach this to, and I've never heard anybody else teach this, like nowhere, not on the internet and anywhere, no stage, nothing. And the reason is because I came up with it, so I'm sharing it with you, and it's this. When you go into an area, your city, your backyard, somebody else's backyard, if you have no deals, what I want you to do to build your credibility, it's so much you're building credibility in the deal, even more so than just you, and it's this. Call up some realtors and say, Mr. or Mr. Realtor, you know, I'm looking to buy some property that I can fix up that's in distress. I want to fix it up and I want to flip it for a profit, or I'm looking for, you know, distressed properties that I can buy at a discount so I can hold them in my rental portfolio. And so what I need from you is if you can find me on the MLS, or if you know any other database in your area, if you can find me properties that have been already flipped. They were in distress, they have been renovated, and then they've been sold on the open market. Can you find me 3 or 4 of those in this area? And can you send those over to me? And I'd like to see, you know, the previous MLS, or when it was bought on the MLS, when it was all jacked up, it was all ugly. And then I would like to see the MLS sheet of when it was all nice and pretty and when it was sold. And what happens is this, every realtor can be able to get you this. This is super easy. What happens is they'll send you over this property, the before pictures and the after pictures, and you basically can show, hey, here's the history of this property. It was bought, let's say, in June of 2013, okay? It took a month or 2 to renovate, and it was bought for, let's say, 100 grand, just for simple math between you and I here. It bought for 100 grand. There was some renovation that was put into it, and then you have the finished product over here, and it was sold for 180,000, and let's say it took about 120 to 160 days, you know, for that to take place. What happens is you didn't do that deal, but you have the presence of mind, and you're smart enough and intelligent enough to research the area to show that what you're trying to do, take a distressed house, renovate it, and flip it, you're showing that the proof of concept is already there. It's already been proven. What you're wanting to do is you're not coming in with a new grand idea that I think I'm going to take this, you know, junky house and make it look like a jewel. You're saying, hey, here's 4 other houses in the last 6 months that other investors have done these sorts of things, and here's how much money they made. Now, you're only going to know about approximately how much money they made. You may not know exactly the dollar amount that they put into construction. You don't know exactly the dollar amount that they paid out in commissions for the realtors on the buy side or the sell side. You don't exactly know what their financing costs were, but you're going to be able to see between the disparity, the difference in the numbers of what they bought it for when they bought it and what they sold it for. You're going to see that there's enough gap in there that they made a substantial amount of profit, or even just a good profit. And you can use those as your examples to be able to show somebody, hey, listen, here's what I want to do, and here's how I'm going to make it happen, and let me show you the proof of what other people have already done. It's a proven technique. It builds credibility on your end because you're showing what deals others have done. And not only that, but you can now show it to the investor and say, look at what they've done. They got these deals. Are you into making money with me as well? Let's go make some deals just like this, and we can go make money just like this. It's been proven and it's been done, and that's how you can build your credibility in that market with those investors.